This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Mike Santana. Nice 1-bed plus small den and 1/2 baths. Porcelain floors, intracoastal and part of ocean view, low maintenance which includes insurance, cable, Wi-Fi, water, hot water, 24-hour security, laundry facility, tennis, pool, jacuzzi, gym, party room, library, BR and game room, great location, 5 minutes to beach, 10 minutes to casino and Aventura Mall. FIRPTA sign required. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Santana at 305-933-3377.